Hello, my name is Douglas Bloch. I'm an author and depression counselor. Welcome to your Depression Recovery channel, where each week we talk about practical tools and coping strategies for healing from depression and anxiety. Well, of course, we have to start with some humor. Someone asked me why I tell these dopey jokes. Well, it's to increase the dopamine. Okay, so here's today's joke. Why did the scarecrow skip dinner? When I was growing up, my mother said, no, eat your food. There are starving people in China, right? So I never skipped dinner, but the scarecrow did. Why did he skip dinner? Well, he was already stuffed. Okay, so today I'm making a really special video because I just realized that we have surpassed the 10,000 subscriber mark. And I'll give you some perspective on this. 2 years ago, I was really happy because we reached 2,000 subscribers. It took about 4 years to get that far. And now within 2 years, that's gone up fivefold. Here's another relative statistic. I think back then we had 13,000 views a month. Now we've got 67,000. Again, a fivefold increase. That's almost 100 views per hour. So what does this mean? Well, it means the obvious, that you guys have been responding to the mental health recovery content I've been putting on this channel, which comes from two sources: my own training in psychology, but more importantly, my own personal struggles in trying to overcome depression and anxiety. So how do I know you've been responding aside from the 10,000 subscribers? Well, all the wonderful comments. You've been sending me the emails and really thanking me, and also asking some really good questions that are giving me some ideas for new videos. So I feel this back and forth dialogue we've been having has created a true sense of community. In addition, 2 years ago, in April of 2016, when we had reached the 2,000 subscriber mark, and I made that video, I had just come out of the hospital after a really bad depression in 2015. I was still wobbly. And I'm glad to say that in the 2 years since then, I've stayed mostly well most of the time. And I think a good reason for this is the fact that I've been doing these videos, churning them out. But what has it been doing? It's been keeping me busy. I did a video and wrote a piece in my book about transcending self through service and how service to others helps one recover from anxiety and depression. That's exactly what has happened to me. So you guys have been part of my mental health recovery as I have been part of yours. So that's really cool. And I just love this one quote from AA: we have to give it away in order to keep it. Again, thank you so much for watching these videos. Please know that I'm going to continue to create videos on mental health recovery with the same kind of content that you have come to expect. And of course, I'm going to continue our new feature that didn't exist 2 years ago. It's our interactive live chats that I hold every Sunday and Wednesday at noon Pacific time, Portland, Oregon. There you get to have another sense of community where a bunch of you come together, ask me questions, but most importantly, you help each other out. So thanks again, and hopefully this time next year, we'll be celebrating 20,000 subscribers. This has been Douglas Bloch. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something from it. If you did like it, please give it a like, or you can leave your comments in the comments section, or you can email me, douglasbloch@gmail.com. If you want to subscribe to this channel, if you haven't already done so, you can help us get to the 20,000 mark. Please click on my photo at the end, and it will take you to the subscribe page, and you can click on the button. And if you want to help support this channel by becoming a patron, and I know many of you already have, and I appreciate it, simply click on the Patreon image, and you'll be taken to my website, where for as little as $2 a month, you can become a sustaining member. And until we meet again, I wish you the best in your mental health recovery. Thank you so much.